Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. I'm so glad you're here, because today we're about to embark on a journey to a sparkling clean bathroom the natural way. We're ditching the harsh chemicals and embracing the power of DIY cleaning solutions. And guess what? Our star ingredient is something you probably already have in your cabinet: hydrogen peroxide. Get ready to be amazed as we unlock the magic of hydrogen peroxide with 3 astonishing DIY bathroom cleaners that will leave your surfaces gleaming. Let's get cleaning. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest cleaning tips and tricks. All right, let's kick things off with a cleaner that's perfect for those gorgeous natural stone surfaces in your bathroom. Whether it's the elegant marble countertops or the sturdy granite surfaces, these natural stones add a touch of luxury to any space. You know, the marble countertops, the granite backsplashes, and even the intricate stone details that make your bathroom feel like a spa. And let's not forget the travertine tiles, all those beauties that need a little TLC to keep them looking their best. Now, before we dive in, let me just say that natural stone can be a little bit sensitive. It's important to treat these surfaces with care to maintain their natural beauty. Harsh chemicals? Not their best friend. In fact, using the wrong cleaner can damage the stone and dull its shine. That's why we're turning to hydrogen peroxide. It's a fantastic alternative that cleans effectively without causing harm. It's effective, it's gentle, and it's going to leave your stone surfaces looking absolutely fabulous. Plus, it's readily available and affordable. For this cleaner, you'll need just 2 ingredients: hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. Yes, it's that simple. No need for a long list of complicated ingredients. Grab a spray bottle. Those amber glass ones are my personal favorite, and let's get mixing. The amber glass helps protect the solution from light, keeping it effective for longer. Pour in about a cup of hydrogen peroxide. This will be the main cleaning agent in our solution. You want that 3% solution that you find at the drugstore. It's strong enough to clean, but gentle enough to be safe for your stone surfaces. Now add a teaspoon of dish soap. This helps to break down any grease or grime on the surface. I like to use a gentle, plant-based formula, but any kind will do. The key is to avoid anything too harsh or abrasive. Screw on the spray top and give it a good shake, shake, shake. This ensures that the hydrogen peroxide and dish soap are well mixed. You want to make sure those ingredients are well combined. A thorough mix will ensure the cleaner works effectively on your stone surfaces. And just like that, your DIY stone cleaner is ready to work its magic. It's quick, easy, and incredibly effective. Spray it generously on your stone surfaces, making sure to cover all the areas that need cleaning. Let it sit for a minute or 2 to work its cleaning power. This gives the solution time to break down any dirt or grime, and then wipe it away with a soft cloth. Use gentle circular motions to lift away the dirt without scratching the surface. You'll be amazed at how easily it lifts away dirt, grime, and even those pesky water spots. Your stone surfaces will look as good as new. This cleaner is perfect for everyday maintenance, keeping your stone surfaces looking pristine with minimal effort. But it's also great for tackling tougher messes. For those stubborn stains, just let the cleaner sit a little longer before wiping clean. Patience is key here. Allowing the cleaner to sit gives it more time to break down the stain, making it easier to remove. And the best part? Your bathroom will smell fresh and clean without that overpowering chemical scent. It's a win-win. Not only do you get a sparkling clean bathroom, but you also avoid the harsh smells of traditional cleaners. Let's be honest, soap scum is the nemesis of a clean bathroom. It's that stubborn, unsightly residue that seems to appear out of nowhere and cling to every surface. It clings to our tubs and showers like nobody's business, making our once pristine bathroom look grimy and uninviting. And it can feel like a never-ending battle to keep it at bay. You scrub and scrub, but it just doesn't seem to budge. But fear not, my friends, because our next DIY cleaner is here to save the day. Say goodbye to those frustrating cleaning sessions. This hydrogen peroxide powerhouse is about to become your new best friend in the fight against soap scum. It's not just for first aid anymore. For this recipe, we're going to add a little something special to our hydrogen peroxide: baking soda. This common household item is a cleaning superstar. That's right, this dynamic duo is about to work its magic on even the most stubborn soap scum. Together, they create a powerful cleaning agent. Start by grabbing a small bowl and adding about half a cup of baking soda. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, which helps to scrub away the grime. Now, slowly pour in your hydrogen peroxide, a little bit at a time, while stirring constantly. This will help to activate the cleaning properties of the baking soda. You want to create a thick paste that's spreadable but not too runny. The consistency should be similar to toothpaste. Once you've achieved the perfect consistency, it's time to apply our soap scum-busting concoction. Put on your cleaning gloves. We're about to get hands-on. This is where the real magic happens. Scoop up a generous amount of the paste and spread it evenly over your tub or shower surfaces, focusing on those soap scum hot spots. Don't be afraid to apply a thick layer. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, giving the hydrogen peroxide and baking soda time to work their magic. This waiting period is crucial for breaking down the soap scum. Now, here comes the fun part. It's time to see the results of our hard work. Grab a non-abrasive sponge or a cleaning brush and start scrubbing. Use circular motions to lift the soap scum off the surfaces. You'll be amazed at how easily it lifts away, revealing a sparkling clean surface underneath. It's almost like magic. Rinse thoroughly with water and marvel at your handiwork. Make sure to remove all traces of the paste to avoid any residue. Your tub and shower will be so clean, you'll want to throw a party in there. Just kidding. Or am I? Enjoy your sparkling clean bathroom and the satisfaction of a job well done. If you found this DIY cleaner helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring the notification bell for more amazing cleaning tips and tricks. Grout. It's the unsung hero of our bathrooms, holding everything together but often getting overlooked when it comes to cleaning. But let's be real, grout can make or break the look of our bathrooms. Dingy, discolored grout? Not cute. Sparkling clean, bright white grout? Now we're talking! And that's where our final DIY hydrogen peroxide cleaner comes in. This one is specifically designed to tackle those pesky grout lines and bring them back to life. Get ready to say goodbye to grime and hello to gleaming grout. For this recipe, we're going to create a powerful paste using hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and a little bit of dish soap for extra cleaning power. In a bowl, combine half a cup of baking soda with a quarter cup of hydrogen peroxide. Stir well to form a paste. Now, add a teaspoon of dish soap and mix until everything is combined. Now, here's just a little pro tip for all of you. For extra stubborn grout stains, add a few drops of lemon essential oil to the mix. Not only will it boost the cleaning power, but it will also leave your bathroom smelling fresh and citrusy. Once your grout cleaning paste is ready, it's time to apply. Put on your cleaning gloves and grab a small brush. An old toothbrush works great for this. Dip your brush into the paste and start scrubbing those grout lines. Work in small sections, applying a bit of elbow grease to really work the cleaner into the grout. Let the paste sit on the grout for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the hydrogen peroxide to work its magic. Then, scrub again and rinse thoroughly with water. You'll be amazed at the difference. Your grout will be noticeably cleaner and brighter. It's like giving your bathroom a mini makeover without spending a fortune. Imagine walking into your bathroom and being greeted by gleaming grout lines that look brand new. It's a small change that makes a big impact. Plus, this DIY cleaner is budget-friendly and uses ingredients you probably already have at home. You can make it anytime you need a quick refresh for your grout lines. And don't limit yourself to just the bathroom. This cleaner works wonders on kitchen tiles and any other tiled surfaces in your home. The versatility of this cleaner makes it a must-have in your cleaning arsenal. After all, who doesn't love a multi-purpose cleaner that delivers sparkling results? So the next time you notice your grout looking a little worse for wear, remember this simple DIY solution. With just a few ingredients and a bit of effort, you can transform your grout from grimy to gleaming. Today, we have covered 3 astonishing DIY bathroom cleaners using the power of hydrogen peroxide. Who knew something so simple could be so effective? Please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you found these cleaning tips helpful. And be sure to subscribe to The Big Sweep for more amazing cleaning hacks and DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.